When the nature gives abundant amount of greens that are rich in iron, calcium, protein, potassium, magnesium, fiber, zinc and vitamin D. This is the recipe I love to prepare. I call it Haryali or Harabara, Handwo or also Pura. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens can offer numerous health benefits including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure and mental decline. So let's begin. Into the mixing bowl, take 1.5 cups of besan, chickpea flour or garbanzo beans flour, half cup of wheat soji. For the gluten-free option, rice soji can be used. Salt to taste. Sugar optional. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi. Red chili powder to taste. Ground coriander, cumin, dhania jeera powder. About half teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera. Mix all dry ingredients really well. Alright, next take matar or tuor, green peas, pigeon peas. Coarsely grind matar and tuor. Palak, spinach, methi, fenugreek leaves, spring onion, hari pyaz, hari lasan, garlic, dhania, coriander leaves, pudina, mint, hari mirch, green chili, adrak, ginger, curry patta, curry leaves, crushed matar and tuor, green peas, pigeon peas, plain dahi, yogurt, optional, lemon or lime juice, nimbu. In the beginning, just add a little bit of water. Mix it all really well. Add water as you go. It takes about 1.5 cups of water. So as you can see, this is how the consistency of the mixture is. Not too thick, not too thin. Alright, so I have the batter ready. Now you can start making the handwo or pura immediately, or you can allow the batter to rest for about 15-20 minutes. Cover it and let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. Let's check the mixture. This is how it should be. On a medium to high heat, take about a teaspoon of oil. Pour the mixture. Depending on the size of your pan, you can make small or big handwo or pura kind. Now, higher the temperature a little bit, medium to high. Cover the pan and let it cook. When the first side is brown, as you can see, it is moving easily. Carefully flip it and let it cook on the other side on a low heat now. When the other side is also done, carefully bring down onto the plate, cut and serve immediately. Hariyali handwo or pura taste amazing when they are served fresh. The outside layer is nice and crispy and soft inside. Look at this. Hariyali handwo or puro taste amazing just as it is, or you can serve with plain yogurt, or you can make raita. This is a must-try recipe. Super healthy and taste amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavanaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavana's Kitchen is everywhere. Also, you can download Bhavana's Kitchen apps for free on many devices like iOS, Android. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.